How the South African political system works. In this video, I'm going to explain how the political system works in the Republic of South Africa and how your vote translates to political representation. South Africa has two election cycles. Firstly, we have the national and provincial elections, which take place every 5 years. Our last national election was in 2019, and the next is scheduled for 2024. Our second election cycle is the municipal elections. The last municipal election was in 2016, and the next is scheduled for late 2021. The formation of the parliament is based on the results of the national election. South Africa uses a system called proportional representation. This means that political parties can choose who they want in parliament based on the percentage of votes that their party receives. For example, if a party wins 10% of the votes, they get 10% of the seats in parliament. The party can then choose who will occupy those seats. The South African parliament consists out of 400 seats and is currently made up of 230 ANC members, 84 DA members, 44 EFF members, and 42 members from smaller political parties. The national election also determines which party will govern the 9 provinces. Currently, all provinces except the DA-controlled Western Cape are governed by the ANC. Soon South Africa will go to the polling stations for the municipal elections. As of recording this video, the date has not yet been confirmed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Now, this is where the election system gets a bit more complicated. The local government elections in South Africa consist of municipalities of various types. The largest metropolitan areas are governed by a metropolitan municipality, while the rest of the country is divided into district municipalities, with each consisting of several local municipalities. After the 2016 election, there were 8 metropolitan municipalities, 44 district municipalities, and 205 local municipalities. The councils of metropolitan and local municipalities are elected by a system of mixed member proportional representation, in which half of the seats in each municipality are elected on the first past the post system, and the other half of the seats are allocated according to the proportional representation system. The latter takes into account the number of wards won by a party and ensures that the final number of seats held by that party is proportional to their percentage of the total vote. District municipality councils are partly elected by proportional representation and partly appointed by the councils of constituent local municipalities. Voters in both metropolitan and local municipalities elect a single ward candidate as well as a proportional representative in their municipal council. Residents of municipalities that form part of district councils, this excludes metropolitan municipalities, also cast a third vote to elect a proportional representative for their district council, in addition to the 2 votes that they cast for their local council. I know that probably sounds really complicated, but just know that your vote does mean something, and it is important for you to go and vote in 2021 to make your voice heard. This is my first video, so if you like it or found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and maybe I will continue doing videos on South African politics. If you have a video suggestion, please tell me in the comments below.